by the way, these are just my essentials. Hindi ko kayo sinasabihan na bumili kayo nito kasi legit hindi nyo kailangan bumili nito. Don't feel na kailangan nyo bumili nito just because I have it. Kasi we all have our own preferences and we should all work with what we have. Matagal kong pinag-ipunan yung mga iba dito, lalo na yung keyboard. Hey guys, it's Micaellaaa, and today, here's to having more uploads here in my channel.
Sana maging consistent talaga kahit marami kaming loads and ginagawa.
So, first of all, if you don't know me yet, hi, it's Micaellaaa, and I'm a third-year architecture student studying in Micaellaaa University. And today's video will be all about my digital rendering essentials or yung mga hardwares na ginagamit ko like my laptop, my headset, my keyboard, my mouse, and everything else. So, if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. This is actually the episode 4 of my architecture students must-haves, and if you didn't watch my series yet, the playlist will be linked in the I button and in the description box down below. First of all, let's start with the hardware. Sa laptop na ginagamit ko, I have the full detailed laptop unboxing in my channel, which will be linked in the I button nila and in the description box.
A brief description of the laptop is that it is the Acer Predator Helios 300, the 2019 version, abyssal black, and yung processor niya is Intel Core i7, LCD is 15.6 inches, yung graphics niya is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060, then yung memory niya is 8GB DDR266MHz memory at 8GB na RAM, which is a freebie nung binili ko. The storage is 1TB or 1000GB HDD and 256GB SSD. So, free din yun nung binili ko. Battery life niya naman is 59WH Li-on battery.
I got my keyboard cover in Shopee or Lazada, which will be linked in the description box. I think ito yung best laptop na budget-friendly and powerful at the same time. So, meron din ako recommendations for laptops in the same video a while ago. So, you can check that out for more details. For my keyboard, I use the Rakk Lite mechanical keyboard. My rainbow keycap is also from Shopee. Link will be down below. A feature that I really like about it is the speaker scroll-up thing. And programmable siya sa computer. And sarap mag-type sa AutoCAD pag ganyan gamit and SketchUp. Nakakagana mag-type. Kahit sa mga essays, ganyan.
So, bakit ko nga ba sinabi na essential sa akin ng keyboard? It's because I have a 2-monitor setup, which is yung laptop ko at isa pang extra monitor. Isa pa, if may keyboard ka, pwede ka lumayo sa screen at pwede kang medyo mag-relax, sit back, ganyan. Optional lang tong mechanical keyboard, pero I recommend you to have an external keyboard. In-order ko lang talaga yung mechanical keyboard dahil naglalaro rin ako, so pwede siyang both for gaming and rendering at the same time.
So, next is yung mouse ko. Yung mouse ko is just the A4 that is free sa laptop ko, so nothing special about it.
So, a mouse is really essential sa pag-digital render since yung laptop mousepad na tinatawag is hindi siya gumagana if ever you're using a laptop. Lalo na sa mga SketchUp and AutoCAD, kailangan mo talaga ng scroll button, ng right click, left click, and sobrang essential nung mga buttons na yon in terms of the softwares na kailangan mo sa digital rendering. So, it is really an essential, greatly for desktop users or laptop users. Ginagamit ko lang is yung generic lang talaga na A4 na halos lahat ata ng mga tao meron na. So, ayun.
Next is my headset, which is the JBL Quantum 400.
So, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit essential ang headphones or earphones sa digital rendering, it's because if you're like me na gusto manood ng movies or music whenever you're rendering or nag-play ka, this will be very helpful for you. This specific headphones is the JBL Quantum 400. Sobrang ganda niya kasi meron siyang surround sound and hindi lang siya pang render, pang gaming rin siya. So, if you're into gaming and rendering, ayun. Pero, unahin muna natin ng rendering, guys. Wag puro laro. Coming from me.
Thanks to Tito. Hi po if you're watching for sponsoring that. Sa pang-essential ko is my second monitor. Hindi siya bago. Hindi siya 4 4K, pero it works well with me. Dati lang namin siyang monitor sa desktop namin and kinuha ko siya. It works well, you just need an HDMI adapter and you're all good to go. It's really helpful lalo na ngayon na online class kasi minsan gumagawa ako, nag-multitask ako. Yung sa isang screen, yun yung pinapanood ko yung prof, tapos yung isang screen gumagawa ko ng Lite o kaya sinusundan ko yung ginagawa niya kasi meron kaming studio which is the ArchiCAD studio ngayon. So, ayun. So, additional peripherals na kinakailangan ko whenever I'm doing plates is yung laptop case ko, which is yan.
I consider the laptop case as an essential. It's because hindi naman tayo laging nasa bahay, lalo na if ever hindi na pandemic, we may need to change places once in a while. Kunwari sa classrooms, ganyan, biglang uuwi ka na, tapos yun ka na sa hallway, tas whatever. I think na maganda yung laptop sleeve para hindi magasgas or para maprotektahan na rin yung laptop mo. So, meron din tong laptop sleeve na to na mga compartments for special things. May mga pockets siya for papers, meron din for your mouse, ganyan, charger, and etc.
Yung ring light.
So, the ring light is an essential for me. It's because minsan madilim sa workspace ko or minsan binavlog ko yung workspace ko, kaya medyo essential talaga siya sa akin. I'm not saying na you should have one too, pero this pink ring light, I just got it from Shopee for about 50 pesos and rechargeable na siya. And ito namang malaki kong ring light, nabili ko siya dati sa Riyadh and nakalimutan ko na kung magkano kasi regalo lang siya sa akin ng daddy ko.
Rarely ko lang ginagamit yung ring light, so...
And then additionally is this cellphone stand which I use for my phone, obviously, para makita ko kung may nag-chat man sa akin, may klase na, ganyan. And kung di na ako nakakatrack masyado ng oras, pwede kong tignan sa cellphone ko, ayun. And pag di ko trip mag-second monitor, dito ako nanonood ng mga YouTube videos and stuff. So, ayun.
Last but not the least essential is my hard drive.
So for me, this is one of the biggest need if you're an artist student, lalo na kapag you're going into higher years kasi your laptop will start to be full na. Siguro kung sobrang laki ng memory mo, hindi. Pero there are times na na-full talaga yung memory kahit anong save na gawin mo. Kaya ako, I have 2 external hard drive. Para silang Seagate and 1 terabyte sila parehas. So, isa is gift sa akin ni Daddy. Then, yung isa binili ko sa Shopee for about 3,500 ata. Sale na yun and mura na yun kasi sa official Seagate ako bumili kaya hindi siya talaga fake. And ayun, link will be down below again.
So, ayun.
Medyo madaldal ako.
And I think tackle ko naman lahat ng gusto kong i-tackle. So, before I end this video, let me shout out muna some of you that commented on my past video. Shout out kay Andrew Cantorga and kay HXY Clim. So, ayun lang naman guys. If you want shout out, just comment down below. Shout out. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more and... ayun lang. Bye, watermellas! And may pupuntahan pa ako kaya nagmamadali ako. Nag-iwig na rin ako. So, bye, watermellas! And follow my socials down below. And hope you guys like this video. Okay. Bye! Bye, watermellas! Charot. Copyright. Bye!
I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
Pabebe. Stress ka, girl.